how to add the video record video overlay or the VHS video overlay effect with InShot Video Editor App. All right, so if you're looking to have this sort of video effect on the video you're editing, let's get started. Make sure you have the latest update and let's do it. Starting with the video you currently have within the editor, you will go ahead and look for the effect tool, which is this one right here, okay? And if you don't see it, just browse over to your right and you want to tap on it one time, then you'll go to where it says effect, this option right here. By tapping on this here, you're going to see these different categories of all the video effects you can add with InShot. Some of them are free, some of them are not. So you're going to look for the one that says retro, this one here. And as you go into it, you're going to see these different options. One of them would be the record one, and one would be the VHS. These are both free, and once you select it, it'll appear like this here on the video you're editing. You press the check mark. This is the record one. And you can expand this as to how long you want it to be, depending on how much you want it to play throughout your video, okay? And you can also come back now and add the VHS one if you want to try that one out, but just showing you, go back to effect, then you go back to retro, and this is the VHS one, all right? Press the check mark, and of course, same thing, you can expand it. So once you did add your effects here now and pressing the check mark here, you should have this video overlay here that will show this sort of recording here, like that, as if it's recording at the moment. Notice that there. Then you also have that one that looks like it's a VHS tape, okay? And if you wanted to add those effects with InShot, that's where you would go, like and sub.